A lot of us may have the experience when we learn more or start to think differently and people around us start to fall away, or maybe even the structures that hold our life together start to crumble. Having awareness that the universe is always going to support alignment to the frequency that we are being will allow us to know that that gap that has been created is potential. And what it is filled with is going to be completely and 100% dependent on the choice that you make of how you feel about that void. If it is filled with lack and grasping and lusting and fear, well, then you know what's going to be manifested within that space. Just as you have a choice to grasp and amplify the fear that you have that maybe nobody knew is going to come along, you have the same exact choice to imagine your true desires. You have the freedom to get clear and focus on what is going to support the greatest version of yourself. And these choices that we have on how we emotionally and perceptively color in reality is, of course, going to be reflected back to us within the environment that we are habitated in. I say all this to remind you that when things are crumbling down around you, fear not, because this just increases the potential for you to create anew.